Alright, guys, we are here in the beautiful Sunshine City, but the city is getting some rain, which is a blessing. We're here to make a delivery, but the customer asked us to drop it off with somebody, so the person is gone for their ID. So we're here getting a little bit of water, nice rainwater on our skin. And she was battling me up by, wait, what's the name of the shipping company? You see? So she look nice and sweet now. Yeah, she a bad man. I didn't catch your name. What's your name?
Shireen.
Shireen, your Wayne's wife?
Yes.
Okay. So Wayne never tell me say a wife me I bring you come to. I understand, man.
You want me to get sick?
Sorry, Shireen. You're not going to get sick, man. Here you
I
go.
was sick for 2 weeks ago.
Oh. Alright.
Thank you guys.
You're welcome. Take care, yeah?
Yeah.
Alright, cool. So Shireen is good with her package. And she's running out of the rain. Alright, guys. Catch you on the inside later. Yard abroad. You have been watching our videos. You are talking. You've been watching our videos, but you have not created a free shipping account as yet. What are you waiting for? It is free to create, and you can do it in half the time that you take to watch this video. Did you know that you can ship your items to Jamaica straight to your doorstep for like 25% what a FedEx or a DHL will cost you? Go ahead, click the link in the description box below, create your free account today. Do it! We're in the streets.